In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make student name tags in Google Slides. This is a wonderful tool for teachers who want an easy yet creative way to personalize their classroom experience. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through every step so you can have neat, professional-looking name tags by the end. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to Google Slides. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log into your Google account. This is crucial because without a Google account, you won't be able to save your work or access it across devices. Once logged in, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage. Here you have two options. Click on a blank presentation if you want to start from scratch, or select a template if you prefer to build on pre-existing designs. For this tutorial, let's opt for a blank presentation so we can get creative with our name tags from the ground up. Once your blank presentation is ready, look at the toolbar at the top and click on Insert. This will open a variety of options you can add to your slide. Next, click on Shape. This is where you'll start crafting the base of your name tag. Choose a shape that best fits your students' names. Rectangles and rounded rectangles are popular choices, but feel free to experiment with other shapes depending on your class theme or the level of creativity you want to display. Now that you have your shape, it's time to add text. Click inside the shape and type in the student's name. Remember, readability is key. Adjust the font style, size, and color to make sure the name stands out against the background. Don't be afraid to try different fonts and sizes until it looks just right. Once the text is perfect, consider adding a splash of color. Google Slides allows you to fill the shape with a variety of colors. Click on your shape, select Fill Color, and choose a color that complements the text while remaining easy to read. Color coding can also be effective if you have different groups within your class. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've created beautiful student name tags. You can take it a step further by adding images, logos, or small graphic elements that reflect your class theme or school values. The key is to balance creativity with clarity, making sure the tags are both functional and visually appealing. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and enjoy creating your new personalized name tags for your classroom.